In this video, let's explore the not function in Excel. The not function is used to invert logical test results. In other words, it changes true to false and false to true. Here is a quick demonstration. In the first row, cell A1 contains the value true. The formula in cell B1 equals not of A1 returns false, as shown in cell C1. In the second row, cell A2 contains the value false. The formula in cell B2 equals not of A2 returns true, as shown in cell C2. The syntax for the not function is straightforward. It is written as equals not open parenthesis logical close parenthesis. The term logical refers to the value or expression that you want to reverse. The not function returns the opposite of the given logical value. A true value becomes false and a false value becomes true. Let's see the not function with basic examples. In example 1, the formula equals not open parenthesis true close parenthesis returns false. In example 2, the formula equals not open parenthesis false close parenthesis returns true. Now let's see how the not function works with comparisons. In this example, cell A1 contains the value 10, and cell B1 contains the value 5. The formula in cell C1 equals not open parenthesis A1 is greater than B1, close parenthesis returns false as shown in cell D1. This is because A1 is greater than B1 is true, and the not function inverts it to false. In the next row, cell A2 contains the value 3, and cell B2 contains the value 8. The formula in cell C2 equals not open parenthesis A2 is greater than B2, close parenthesis returns true as shown in cell D2. This is because A2 is greater than B2 is false, and the not function inverts it to true. Let's explore how to use the not function with an if statement. The general formula is equals if open parenthesis not open parenthesis condition close parenthesis comma value if true comma value if false close parenthesis. Here's an example. In this table, cell A1 contains the value 85. The formula in cell B1 equals if open parenthesis not open parenthesis A1 is greater than or equal to 90 close parenthesis comma open quotation mark needs improvement close quotation mark comma open quotation mark excellent close quotation mark close parenthesis returns the text needs improvement in cell C1. In the next row, cell A2 contains the value 95. The same formula in cell B2 now returns excellent in cell C2. Here are the key points to remember about the not function. First, it reverses logical values, meaning true becomes false and false becomes true. Second, it works with comparisons and conditions, allowing you to invert the results of logical tests. Overall, the not function is perfect for inverting test results in complex formulas, giving you greater control over your Excel calculations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.